What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Snowbreak Containment Zone on PC for free. So what you need to do is go to your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to go to the Steam website, and after that we are going to search for the game Snowbreak Containment Zone on the PC. So select the game. After that you will find out that this is a free game to download on Steam. So the only thing you need to do is create a free account on Steam and install the Steam application. After that you can click on this button and then this game will be added into your game library. And then you are able to play the game Snowbreak Containment Zone for free on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!